Hey friends, I'm Mel. Welcome to my kitchen, and a big hello to new viewers that may just be tuning in. I'm just a simple Southern wife and mom feeding my family. Every Wednesday night here at 8 o'clock, you'll see a grocery haul or some kind of recipe video. Then on Sundays at 8, I always post a What's for Dinner video. Tonight, I've got lots of food for you here. This is a Kroger haul. It was about $220. This hopefully will do us 2 weeks. It's going to have lots of things that we'll be taking in our lunches, dinners this week, and also Easter food and snacks, of course. And I did just want to let you know that Sunday's What's for Dinner will be going up at 3 p.m. instead of 8. I am honored to be part of a real special collab. And when you have time Sunday after church and dinner and egg hunting and all that fun family stuff, I hope you'll sit down and take a look at my What's for Dinner and maybe run through that playlist. I think you'll be glad that you did. And Sunday, if you're not able to get out and go to church in person and you'd like to worship, I invite you to join my church. I always have a link to my church's YouTube channel in my description box. I don't mention that every week, but I think a lot of you who have been here a while know that. But you can always join any Sunday, but especially this Holy Sunday, we would love to have you at my church if you don't have a church home or are not able to get out. So anyway, let me show you what I got at the store. Okay, here's the overview. Let's get into it. The first thing I'm showing you is three 3-pound rolls of ground chuck. These were on sale, I believe, for about $8.97. That's an awesome price, so I went ahead and got 3 of them. And anything that I got a good deal on, I will throw the price up on the screen for you this week. Time to stock that freezer up. I'm always good for a couple Totino's pizzas. Y'all know that. Been through the chicken breast. They have a big 14-pound bag, but they never have it in the store. And it's really a better deal than this. But this is what I got. I got a Kroger self-rising pizza, a 4-cheese one. Was happy this week. I got 2 bags of the breaded okra, the frozen kind. They've been out of that. I got a gallon of milk. I got some spreadable butter. I, of course, ordered Kroger's, but they subbed me this. Got a bag of frozen wild blueberries. Got a bag of frozen green peas. And a bag of frozen corn. Got a nice big thing of the Smooth Orange Sunny Delight. Container of sour cream. Whipped topping. Got all the cheeses. These were on sale this week. It was a 32-ounce, 8-cup bags that were on sale, but they subbed these. I'll have to check my receipt and see if they gave me the right price. But I ended up with 2 bags of mild cheddar, 2 bags of sharp cheddar, and not to be left out, I did get some medium cheddar slices. I got Hellmann's. I just needed to be patient, friends. Hellmann's finally cycled back on sale with a coupon. So I got some Hellmann's to put back in the pantry. I went ahead and got 2 boxes of this kind of Kroger, like the deluxe macaroni and cheese. Every now and again, I just want some of this. And you know, even at Easter, the kids want macaroni and cheese. But we have so many rich foods. I'm not making a big, like, baked, cheesy one. We're going to have this macaroni and cheese right here. We're going to take it easy on ourselves. Then I got 2 boxes of this macaroni and cheese, which we eat about once a week here. We love this 3-cheese Kroger brand. I got a box of penne and a box of elbow noodles. Stocking up the pantry, replacing what I've used. I got a box of graham crackers. Got a box of Ritz crackers. I got 2 boxes of clubs. This was a really good deal. I think these were $1.47. Got a box of Kleenexes, a box of tea. Got my daughter's water mixers that she likes. A package of taco seasoning, 3 packs of gum, 2 packs of lemon pie filling. This is sugar-free. It should be fine. I can't tell a difference. Got a can of carrots. I got 3 cans of Campbell's Cream of Chicken. This was a really good sale this week and a coupon, so I got the name brand. I have count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cans of Kroger chili sauce. This stuff has been out of stock forever. And I had a good pantry full, but man, we eat chili buns every other week at least. And we love this chili sauce. So this was in stock. I stocked up on it. Got a can of black beans, a couple of cans of green beans, a can of pinto beans, 2 bottles of ranch dressing. Margaret Holmes greens are still on sale, so I got another can of those. A can of sweetened condensed milk. This tuna was on sale. I've got a pantry full of tuna, but I do eat it often. And anytime tuna is on sale for 69 or 59 cents, I'm going to grab some. That is a great source of protein to keep back in like your long-term prepper type pantries. Very inexpensive source of protein that will last a long time, and you can do a lot with it. Got 2 little cans of diced green chilies, a can of Kroger brand Rotel. These, I am so excited. Private Selection has this wonderful thing that they do with nuts. They've got some vanilla coated pecans, all these, but I am going to make something really special out of this. I'm excited for these. Applewood smoked honey maple pecans. I'll have to hide these from the snacker or they'll be gone. I got this big can of Italian green beans for Easter. I got graham cracker crumbs for my dessert because I will use all those other graham crackers in another dessert. Got a thing of baby wipes because we all like to be fresh and clean. Got a box of fudge rounds to go in lunches. Sandwich bags. A bag of bacon bits. Got some of this Monterey Jack queso to have for snacking this week. 2 packs of these. We get these every week. The little breadsticks and cheese to dip in. Eggs. I got these 18 count of eggs for $1.47 each. So I went ahead and got 2 of those. I've got 2 bags of Doritos. I have a box of croissants. A big can of Folgers House Blend coffee. Lay's chips. If you bought 4, you got them for $1.88. Lay's does include sun chips, so I got these garden salsa ones. Way back there, I got a plain Lay's, a wavy Lay's, and a barbecued Lay's. And I got a little bag of Kroger bite-sized tortilla chips. It gets kind of crowded back there. I got a big bag of powdered sugar. Well, that might have a hole in it. It's making a little poof. I got some tortillas for wraps. Produce-wise, I've got a Vidalia onion, a red onion. I got 1 Granny Smith apple. Look at that pretty little tomato. He looks like Bob from VeggieTales. He's just perfect. Got a bag of lemons. It's spring. Got a really pretty red bell pepper. A thing of green onions and a big head of green leaf lettuce. Now, out in the trunk of my car are 4 6-packs of Diet Mountain Dew bottles for my husband. Oh, and we got some toilet paper. Can't forget that. Okay, friends, that is about the size of the groceries this week. Let's get in some comfy clothes, get these things put up, and find something to fix for dinner. Remember, 3 p.m. Sunday is what's for dinner. But don't worry if you're not here at 3. I'll see you when I see you. It's Easter Sunday. Celebrate the resurrection of Christ. And I'll see you when I see you. And until then, you know I send you love, as always, from my kitchen.